In this video, I will show you how to hide game activity on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to hide your game activity on Steam, then all you need to do is open up the app and log into your account. And what you want to do is come up to the top, hover over your name to bring up this menu, and come and click onto Profile. Now, once you're on your profile page, from here, what you want to do, if you come to the right hand side, you're going to see a little Edit Profile button. Give that a click. Then on the next screen, what you need to do is come to the menu on the left hand side, come down and click here where it says Privacy Settings. And what you want to do, you're going to see some few options here which you can change, but you want to come down to the section called Game Details. Now, as you can see, it says this category includes a list of all games on your Steam account, games you've wishlisted, or achievements and your playtime. This setting also controls whether you're seen as in-game and also the title of the game you are playing. So if you want to hide your game activity, all you need to do is click onto this drop-down box and make sure it's selected to private. If it's set to public, of course your game is going to be viewed and people are going to be able to see your game activity. So all you need to do is simply change this to private, and that's going to hide your game activity on Steam. So that's how to hide game activity on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.